Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to explain why you're not seeing the clear mode on your TikTok account. So if you typically go ahead and update your TikTok app by going to the App Store on your phone, either Apple or Android, and you tap on the update button, as you can see I have an update. If you have an update available, make sure to update it. But if you do that and then you go back into TikTok and you long press on any video, you can see it says clear mode there. It's grayed out for me because I have to exit the app and go back in for some reason. At this point it's kind of buggy for me, but you would tap on that clear mode. So let me just get rid of that and exit out of TikTok and then go back in to see if it reappears. Okay, so now I can do it. If I tap on clear mode, you can see it works. But now when TikTok releases new features for the platform, they don't release it to every single account and every single person at the same time. What they do is they roll it out in stages, in like a testing phase. And if lots of people enjoy the feature, then they roll it out to more and more people. And as the people give feedback on the feature, then they either keep it or get rid of it. So there's nothing wrong with your TikTok account. All you need to do is to actually be patient and wait for the feature to be rolled out for your account. It's not got nothing to do with your phone or your TikTok account. There's no setting that you can change. There's nothing that you can do besides just simply waiting for the feature. So what I would do is I would set automatic updates for TikTok on my phone. So every time there's an update, you'll automatically get the new update, and then you can come in and check every couple of days or so if you have the new clear mode feature. And that's pretty much all you need to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.